Hello everybody, my name is Annie.
My name is Janet.
Today we are playing Silly Simon Says. Okay, Janet, what should we do here?
We will wait to join in the game. So
Yes.
we need to wait.
Yeah, because we are late to this game. It's starting! We need to be at Simon, okay?
But do you see my another audio? Body.
What body? You. Oh my god, what? I need to show my fears. What are they? Stop you！ 嗱，我影啲企隔離，跟住等佢哋自己估係邊個係你啊。OK。1 second。
Wait a minute.
OK。
I need to change. 我要改一啲位。
OK。
我睇齊先。
OK。
咁又唔得咯喎。咁好啦，就咁。
Okay, guys, who is my real friend? Comment below. Left or right? Okay, I want to play. Oh my god, it's almost there.
Because if you know left or right is the real friend, then comment.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, what should we do?
So I will be a Simon.
Oh. What?
I already choose. I am the Simon.
Don't kill me! Please don't kill me.
Well, I will choose me. I choose me.
Please kill another person. Don't kill me. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. I should win. It's too easy, so I should win.
I want you to win.
I know I want. No.
Oh.
No, the winner is It's okay. Maybe the second round I will win. Oh no, what are you doing?
我揀咗好多人㗎。
Oh, I see one. Oh, 揀咗兩個，而家到3個。Oh my god, this game is so easy.
呢度就有啦，你啱啱去嗰個位置有㗎。唔係呢度。
No, go hard again. Oh, I win.
Oh, you're the winner.
Okay, guys, it's so easy this game. Oh my god. What is this game? What is that? Oh my god, guys. There is Janet in the freaking You can see what is happening. She is in the freaking middle. It's fake. Oh my god, fake. Don't kill me, please. I'm safe, guys. Yeah, I will gotta be winning. I will gonna be winning. Why am I not winning? I didn't.
Look at me.
What is this, guys? No. Oh no.
You need to sit.
Toilet?
你坐嗰個 music seat，唔係呢個啊，
邊個？
係粉紅色紅色嗰個啊。嗰度啊。
哦，明白。Mushroom bubble。
黃色嗰個 key。
No。
冇晒啦。
Oh, it's so hot, bro. It's too hard.
Get ready.蘑菇. Yes.
Okay, mushroom. Okay.
Yes.
I should wait. Okay, now.
Yeah. You are the bridge.
No, I'm not the
No,
witch.
wait.
Oh my god, is there a 6 or 7?
I don't know. Oh, that was. I will choose an easy game.
6 or 7? Okay.
Watermelon.
點解我死咗嘅？
Watermelon.
點解我死咗嘅？
唔知喎。
點解而家冇得重新嚟過？
我唔知喎。
I want this to 6 or 7. Guys, I don't know what am I doing, guys. I died. I am swimming in the lava, guys. Oh, I'm back, guys. Guys, I'm back.
Look at me. Guys, look at me. What I'm doing.
Where are you, bro? No, I died. Where are you guys?
Where are you?
I'm here. Ah! 應該我唔會死嘅而家。
So I want to play Brookhaven.
Okay, then let's play Brookhaven. Ooh, we can show them our outfits.
So do you want to show that? Nothing. 你想唔想錄第二條片啊？
Okay, then we need to say bye. We have to film part 3. 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
We need to film part 3. Bye.